News 8 at 5.
A Davenport facility is hitting a major milestone. Harrison Belsanti shows us how the city's compost site is changing the way we handle what gets thrown out and how it's used.
Here in Davenport, what starts as lawn clippings and yard waste ends up as rich, reusable compost. And this facility is marking 30 years of turning waste into something residents and businesses can use again. The Davenport Compost Facility opened in 1995 as a state-of-the-art project. And unlike many compost sites,
we're composting two waste streams, that being the yard waste from the residents of Scott County and the biosolids from the wastewater plant of Davenport and Bettendorf. Putting those two together really makes our compost stand out as far as nutrition level for plants and rebuilding soil.
The site has drawn attention from around the world. Bartlesson says groups from Ireland, Iceland, Russia, and Japan have all toured the facility as they work to model similar composting systems. With a crew of just 10, the Davenport team handles more than 130 cubic yards of material every year, producing compost, soil blends, and mulch sold to residents, landscapers, and farmers.
We have a topsoil blend we also sell that's mixed with our compost. And all you need to do is come down to our front gate and stop over at the office and go through the window. We have a drive-up window to make it easy. We'll load your truck or trailer or dump truck, whatever you have.
Leaders say the long-term impact of saving landfill space and money for the public is one of the biggest benefits of composting.
Without them taking that leap forward 30 years ago and that, leap of faith really, that this was going to work, we wouldn't be here today doing this.
And while today's media tour is ahead of an open house set for this weekend, leaders here say the goal remains the same, keeping waste out of landfills and turning it into something that the whole community can benefit from. In Davenport, Harrison Belsanti, WQAD News 8.
And Saturday's open house runs from 10 to 2 at the Davenport Compost Facility on Railroad Street. Tours and demonstrations will be available to the public.